Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining. Folks, today I'm gonna make you a breakfast taco. It's steak and potatoes, not just regular cubed up potatoes, these mashed potatoes. Be right back, folks. Hope you enjoy the intro.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
I got sirloin steaks here, folks. This is what we're gonna cook up, and I think I'm gonna try to let's do a reverse sear on these because I gotta let that come up to a boil. I'll show you the seasoning here in a little bit. We're gonna let these come up to about 114, 15 degrees internal. Then we'll sear them off. Do a reverse sear. I find, where you at? See, I keep talking to you and you can't even see me. What I'm gonna do is reverse sear these because, in my opinion, doing a reverse sear makes a much tenderer steak. So that's why I'm doing it this way. You can do the front sear if you want. That's fine. Let's get you back down here. Let's let you see what's happening. And folks, we're gonna let this keep going. I'm gonna get these up to 114, 15 internal. And I'm gonna sear them off. We'll be right back. All right, folks. Let's check and see where we're at here. Should be pretty close. Let's see. This one, I'll put it this way so y'all can see it. This one's 111. This one's a little thinner. 121. Let's go ahead and take that one off. Let's let that baby rest. We're gonna get this one up to about the same temp. Bring y'all right back. All right, we should be getting pretty doggone close here. Let's see. 121. There you go. 122. 123. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do? This water came to a boil pretty doggone quick sitting right over that fire. So I took it off. I'm gonna put that right back on. Let that get going. Take this off. Let it rest. I'm gonna stoke the fire a little bit. Kind of brush off the ash and stuff. Get that up flaming again so that we can sear these steaks at the same time. Make mashed potatoes. All right, guys. I told you I'd show you what rub I'm using. Swine BBQ, folks. Y'all go check them out. Link will be down below. It's a military guy that hooked up with me, and last time I talked to him to ask him to send me another, shipment of some of his stuff, he was overseas in the desert, folks. So he's either active military or he's in the reserves. But either way, gotta love our troops, gotta love our military. Help support them if you can. Again, link is down below. Swine BBQ. Folks, this is my favorite rub right here for steak, for beef of any kind, for pork, whatever. Give it a shot. He's got some other rubs too, but check out this one right here, Steak and Chop. It's good stuff. All right, it's been a few minutes. Go ahead and turn these over. Let them get a little sear on both sides. We'll check them here in about 2 or 3 minutes. All right, stir in the butter. Let it melt in. The potatoes are looking good, man. By the time that butter gets in there, it's going to be a nice consistency for what I'm wanting for this dish. Which again is not real stiff potatoes, but potatoes that are a little bit not quite as stiff. Not runny, but not stiff. Not, let that stuff go right there. And we'll check back on it here in a little bit. While we got the lid open. In fact, I got the lid open this whole time we're searing these steaks. Let's see what we got here. That was I was reading 131 right there. So we got 135, 136. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that to the side. What's this one reading? It's reading 140. Okay, let's go ahead and pull that one. All right, guys. While my meat's over here just chilling, I've got a couple of flour tortillas. I like to warm these up, and these are just street tacos. Okay, they're small. They're not like burrito tacos, which are 8 inches or whatever. These are more like 5 inches. All right, guys. I don't know if you can tell, but man, when these things start steaming up real good, they get a little pocket on them. That's what you're looking for. And get a little char on the outside too. That's extra flavor right there, folks. But man, check out how that thing's just ballooning up. You see that? See how balloon that is? It's not flat like this other side. It's got a little bubble in there. That's cool. That's what I'm looking for. Set that off my plate. This one's doing the same thing. Set that off on my plate. All right, let's cut up some steak. All right, I got to hurry up because it's getting dark out here, folks. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna cube this up, so it doesn't matter if you cut it lengthwise or across the grain, whatever, because it's gonna be cubed, so it's gonna be fine either way. There we go. And again, I'm saving this other one for the wife. And folks, y'all want to see what this looks like? There you go. That's what it looks like. That's the inside of it. See? Okay. All right, let's cube it up. Then we're gonna make us some tacos. Okay, I got y'all where y'all can see everything, and hopefully you can because it's getting really dark. But anyway, what you do is take you some mashed potatoes, spread them out on your tortilla, like so. Put them as thick or as thin as you like. I like a little bit more myself. Put a little bit more in there. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make one. We'll be right back showing you a picture here in a little bit. Anyway, okay, you got that right there. Got that going on. Let's get us a little cheese. Gotta open my cheese, T-Roy. Come on. And I'm just using a Mexican blended cheese. I think I showed it in the beginning of the video, but if I didn't, there you go. That's what I'm using. All right, put a little cheese on there. Not a lot, just a little dab will do you, like so. And folks, we got this salsa right here. Throw a little bit of this on there. Oh, you know what? I forgot, almost forgot. Need a little lime. Put your lime on there, folks, right here. That lime with the beef, folks, I'm telling you what, that is some good flavoring right there. All right. A little bit of this salsa right here. All right. I'm gonna make the other one. Let me get you up here where I can see you. All right, I'm gonna make the other one, and then I'm gonna take a picture for a thumbnail maybe. We'll be right back. All right, folks, take two just in case. You know, in case I messed up something. But anyway, it's been a while. I hope to be making videos at least every couple of weeks or so going forward, if not every week. We'll see how it goes, okay? Because I'm doing other stuff too, since, you know, retired anyway. Let's check this out. Take two. That's close to what I remember. Ain't exact from Taco Deli, but man, that's close. The sirloin's a little bit tough for me. I miss my HEB in Austin, but man, that's very good. Really good flavor with that rub on it. Little hit of lime, a little cilantro on top. Added some cilantro behind the camera. Man, that's good. I miss that. Wish they still made it. Wish I still lived in Austin sometimes. But anyway, take it as it is. Appreciate y'all watching. I hope to be making videos every couple of weeks or so going forward. And I appreciate all of you sticking with me. Really do. I've been having some fun with family and friends. Hope you understand. But I will get back into it very shortly. So if I, you know, I may even do it every week like I used to. We'll see. Anyway, hope y'all stay tuned for more videos. If you like this kind of stuff, y'all give me some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends. T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time. It's good. It's good to be back on video. Back to with all you fans out there and eating some good food. Cheers. See you next time.